Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the basics are present: device specs, storage, and microphone access. Once done, log into or create your Elsa account and allow permissions so audio flows freely. Next, run the initial calibration and pick the target skill set, pronunciation, fluency, or conversation, so the model adapts to your goals. Make sure to select your native language for contrastive feedback. These first steps get the system personalized and ready. Now move to structured practice. You now establish a repeatable practice cycle. Begin with short 10 to 15-minute micro lessons and repeat challenging sentences 3 times to build muscle memory. Once comfortable, enable slow playback and spectral or phoneme-level feedback so you can hear and see the differences. Record an A&B take to compare improvements side by side. Make sure to review the Progress tab daily to track streaks and flagged phonemes. Consistent data-driven practice accelerates gains. You wrap up by consolidating gains. Run a 5 to 10-minute review session and take a full speaking test to measure improvement. Once finished, export or share recordings for external feedback and set a simple weekly goal to maintain momentum. If you hit problems, no audio, poor scoring, or lag, start troubleshooting. Confirm microphone permissions, reposition or use a headset mic, clear app cache, and reboot the app. If that fails, reinstall. These steps solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.